Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is way overdue. This is a self-care bath night routine. I don't think I've done one of these since October, November of this of last year. So I definitely need to update. And that was also one of your guys' it was a fall night routine, and then I think I did a winter night routine, and that was one of your guys' most favorite videos. So I wanted to do a new one, and I did something special for this one. I made a self-care, do-it-yourself self-care kit for like a relaxation night routine. And let me show you guys what's all in the kit in case you guys want to make you a self-care kit, or let me know in the comments what you guys like in your self-care kit. I'm interested to know. There's mental health self-kits, spa night self-kits, spiritual self-kits, self-kits for men, like spa night self-kits for men. There's all kinds. But yeah, let me show you guys what I got, what I created. Okay, so this box is just a box that I was looking for a box. This is a self-care kit. I was going to use a basket, but I couldn't find one that was not being used right now. So I found this box that some vitamins had came in through the mail, and this is a candle I recently purchased at Dollar General. And I was there today. I had to get toilet paper and some water and cat food. I picked this nail polish up at Dollar General. I picked this up at Walmart. All of my bath, like Epsom salts, bubble baths, I usually get, my melatonin fell. I usually get at Walmart. My razors I usually get at Walmart or Target. I always use the 5-blade razors. This is new. Epsom salt. I have one I've been using already over there. It's the Dr. Teal's lavender, and it's great with that bubble bath. But this is new bubble bath. It's let's see. I believe it's bubble bath mint soothing. Let's see. Cooling mint bubble bath from Walmart. This is from Walmart. And this mask is from Walmart. And I added some bottled water because I always love drinking water before and after I get out of the bath. And this is a lotion I picked up at Dollar General. And of course, these would not fit in the box because the box is not big enough, but that's okay because we are about to take most of this out and we're going to use this. So let me go ahead. Oh, and then I have melatonin I take at night for sleep. Here lately I've been getting the 3 milligram. I can take the 5 and the 10, but I have like dreams, nightmares when I take a high milligram, so I do the 3 milligram. And I take these before I go to sleep to help me relax and sleep at night, plus the bath. And then I have these that came with this box, but these I got at Dollar General, and then these came in this box. They're from GNC. I believe they're 3 milligram also. Yeah. So but we're gonna set these over here to take back downstairs, and we're gonna get my lighter I have here, and we're gonna light this candle, and then we're gonna start my bath. So this is a brand new candle. It's a 3-wick candle that I found at Dollar General, and it was only $5, and it smells amazing. It's marbled sands, and it smells so good, and it's so pretty, you guys. Look how pretty this is. I'm into the marble look. I think it's so cute. If you've been here and are a subscriber, you'll know that one of my banners used to be a Oh, my lighter got hot. One of my banners used to be a like marble background. Okay, I had to set you guys down to light the candle. So we're just lighting all, I'm gonna try to light all 3 wicks. Yes. Ooh, and I'm gonna set this, let's see, where do I want to set it at? Do I want to set it on the edge of the tub? Let's see here how that looks. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to run our bath water, but first I want to put on this mask. I've already taken my makeup off I put a little bit of makeup on today, and I've already brushed my hair and taken my makeup off because I want to try this new mask I got from Walmart when I picked up the bubble bath and the Epsom salts. So let's do that real quick. And then we'll run our bath. Okay, so let me see if it's one that you... Okay, yeah. Oh, let me pull my hair back first. When I first get in the tub, I usually just put my hair in like a bun. Some type of bun or ponytail. Or we can just do a ponytail. And then I'll take it down to wash it. So I may put this on my face and make that my thumbnail. I don't know, but let's see. I've done the pill masks that come in the tube, but I haven't done one of these in a long time. Ooh. Did I open it? Is this the right way? Hope so. Let's see, you guys. Oh, it's even got a thing to go over your eyes. Hang on. Let me see. I think it goes this way. And that, I guess you put that part over your eyes. Or either way. Let's see here. Oh. So you do like this. Can y'all see? And this goes above your lip. Ooh, it feels so good on my face. I gotta start running my bath water. Anyway, do I have this? Maybe I should let's try the other way. Ooh, yes, that's better. Okay, and that goes here. Okay. Now let me just rinse my hands. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Okay. I'm going to start running the bath water, and I'm going to show you how much Epsom salts I use and bubble bath I use. And give me 1 minute. Okay, I'm going to set the razor I'm using right here. I'm going to turn the water on. So I can put the bubble bath and the Epsom salt in here. So we have this cup that we use, and I usually just take the cup and I will take the Epsom salt. I can get it up on one hand, yeah. Okay, and sometimes I like to fill it up to the top or mix it with my lavender Epsom salt, which I may do. Okay, so I just pour some in there, and it don't take that much, you guys, but I just like to put it in my cup, and then I think I'm just gonna go ahead. Well, we won't use that, but sometimes I mix them, and then I just take it and I'll pour it in like this in the tub. And now for the bubble bath. Let's see here. We're going to take this bubble bath And we're going to open it. And we're going to put some in here. Usually it only takes like a cupful, but I use a lot. And I've been liking the bubble bath a lot more. I mean, I love bath bombs, but I like the bubble bath a lot more. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to get in the tub with my face mask, take my clothes off, get in the tub, relax. You only leave this on for 10 minutes. And I'm going to show you guys my exfoliator that I use, that I've been loving. I showed it in another video, but I want to show you guys again. I've got to get some more. I've almost used this all up. And I have body wash, my shampoos. So I will catch y'all when I get out of the tub. Okay, now I'm downstairs. I always take my wide tooth comb and comb my hair out when it's wet. I did wash and condition my hair, and I use tea tree oil on my scalp and hair about twice a week because I have a really dry scalp. If you guys want to know how what all of the products I use for my hair, I will make a whole video on that. Just let me know in the comments. This is how long it is. I'm letting it grow to about my waist. I also put deodorant on when I get out. I always put deodorant on. And then in the morning, I will probably do another spray tan. I also use moisturizer for my body and face when I get out of the bathtub. I either use the Dove Beauty Cream, the Pond's Beauty Cream, or my moisturizing lotion like the one that was in my box, or this right here is really good. And I also use this from Walmart. Sorry, I took a goodie powder earlier. I had a migraine and a piece of it stuck to the bottom of the lotion. This is like a skin firming. It gives you a glow. It's Malibu Hint Lotion, and when you do tanners, this is really beneficial when you do self-tanners. And that pretty much wraps up my self-care night. I hope you guys like everything that was in and I brush my teeth, and I take my melatonin. That's it for my self-care. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. Night kit and some of the things I do at night when I take a bath. Sometimes I'll take a shower, sometimes I'll take a bath, sometimes I'll do both. And it is different because I do not wash my hair every night that I bathe. I wash it maybe 2 to 3 times a week. So Nyla wants to say bye-bye. Y'all might have heard her in the background. She's wanting attention. Say bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Look at this baby. Say bye-bye. And I will see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you later. Bye.